What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I am finally back to show you guys that new polish that I bought. I shared a little shorts clip video of the polish that I was going to be sharing with you guys, and it just took me a while to get to it. But this is it. These ones I think you guys have seen. I just pulled them out just in case I got a new one mixed up in here, but I believe I shared all of these. And most of all of these are the new ones that I have picked up, all from Dollar Tree, one from CVS, two from CVS. The rest are from Dollar Tree, three from CVS. I forgot about this one. So you guys know I told you that I was finding, four, China Glaze at Dollar Tree. And I believe that I shared these with y'all. So this gray one too. So you guys seen these three were the first three that I had got from Dollar Tree China Glaze, I believe. Or, oh no, it was these three. So this one goes over there. Yeah, these were the three that I first picked up and shared with y'all. So I had went back and they had more colors out. So I picked up some more. And I also got this because I thought it was really cute. It's a makeup brush holder. And they had them in different colors. They had the pink, purple, blue, and I think white. I can't quite remember because it's been a few weeks. I've had this for a while now. But they do still have China Glaze in. But I thought this was really cute to hold like my eyeliner and mascara and stuff like that. And I just stored my polish in it until I was ready to show it to y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and start with what I found when I picked up at CVS. Now, you guys have seen the video, the walk down the polish out with me video when I was at CVS. If you have not watched that, scroll down a few videos and go watch that. If I remember, I'll leave a link in the description box for you guys to go directly to it. But I was showing you guys that they had a new China Glaze collection of the Jurassic World. And this is the one that I picked up that day. And it's called Preserved in Amber. And it's just a really pretty, like, bright gold. If you guys can see, it has, like, some darker little glitters in it. Maybe some pinks, some lighter golds. Really pretty. It actually looks like it has, like, little shards of glitter in it, too. So yeah, that's from CVS. And then from the Friends collection, I ended up getting this one I showed in the video. This one is called Stick to the Routine. And it's from the Friends TV show collection. And I just thought this one was unique and really pretty. I was trying to grab colors that I don't normally get. But this is just a really pretty glitter with some golds and some blues, some peach glitters in it. Really pretty. Sort of like a rose gold, I think. And then I got this paparazzi for free. I had pick a free beauty product for like the month, which, oh no, I have one I need to pick now too. And one of the choices was a polish. You can pick up any color of paparazzi that's available at the store you select. And I loved this one so much. When I went back, they only had like one of these left, so I picked this one. I thought it was really pretty. And this one's called Fairy Garden. So I thought that was really pretty. All of these I had coupons too. I did not pay full price for this. I got free, and I didn't pay full price for none of these. I had coupons. This one, Sally Extreme Wear. This one is called Blue Flame. And I thought this was just a really pretty blue. Almost like a denim bluish kind of. So yeah, those are the four I picked up at Sally's Beauty Supply. I think these were 11 bucks. I believe I got it for like $5 or $6. Same with this one. I got it for about $4 or $5. And this one I got for $1, like 30. And then these are the ones that I got from Dollar Tree. All right, y'all, so I put you guys in my tripod. It's not that great of an angle because I don't have my other table set up, so excuse this ugly part right here. So I moved all the other ones away since I've got them all picked out and I know which ones you guys have seen and which ones you guys haven't. So like I said, these were the CVS, these are the Dollar Tree. So I'll start off with this one. So this one was a limited edition, the Giver limited edition. This one is called the Outer Edge, and it's just a pretty white glitter, and I don't really have anything like this, so I went ahead and grabbed it. So I'll swatch this over a color so we can see what it looks like. And I was surprised to see this one is the Sesame Street collection. It's a really pretty pink glitter. This one is called Gift For You. And I really like this one. And then I picked up this really pretty light gold glitter. This one is called Golden Enchantment. And I thought this was a nice summer color. This one is called If in Doubt, Surf It Out. Just a pretty peach. And I love a nice gray. Gray is one of my favorite colors. This one is called Pleather Weather. This one is a nice nude color. This one is My Lodge or Yours. And it's just a pretty, I can't really tell, like a mauve or something like that color. And then this one, Sample Sizing Me Up. This one I can't remember if I showed you guys or not. I don't think so. But it's just a nice blue. I feel like I did share this one, but I don't know. Okay, so those Dollar Tree, I'm gonna also grab the other one. These ones I shared with y'all already, or actually it might have been those three, and this one I didn't, because this one is Wait and See, and I recently had this one on, so I don't think this is the one. I don't think you guys saw this one yet. So this one was supposed to go here, this one went with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them really quick so you guys can see the colors. Alright, since the China Glaze one was very, very light in color, I'm going to go over it with the Sally Hansen's Friends so we can see what all the colors that's in this a little better. That's cute. I like it. I don't know if you guys can really see the colors, but pretty. And I figured these two, I'll go over a color so it'll show up over this one. The top. So this is the limited edition, the Giver, the outer edge. And the gold one, I'll do over this one. It's very, very light. So that's nice. You can put this, you know, as a topper over lots of colors, since it's not very thick. That's pretty. This one was Golden Enchantment. So very cute. Did I miss one? Oh, I didn't do this. I don't know if this will show up on one on its own. Let's see. Yeah, this one's very, very light. So this would be a good topper. Let's see how this one looks. This one is thick. So if you wanted to do this one over your nail by itself, it would be perfect for that. Because it has like a full coverage and it's not so much a topper. Some like it hot. All right, y'all. I'm gonna let them dry a little bit, and I'll go back through and go over, not go over, I was gonna say go over them with a top coat. No. Go through and put the names of the colors on the rest of the sticks. I just wanted to go ahead and get the swatches over with. So yeah, I'm gonna let them dry and then put the names on them. But I am loving all of the colors that I picked so far. They look really nice. I'm loving this one. That's so pretty and shiny and glossy. This orange one. And this one's really nice too. That's unique, I thought. It has like, I don't know if they're red or like a dark orangish color glitter shards in there, but that's nice. I love the blues. I love the army green. Love the pink. So yeah, they're all really good colors. So not bad for finding those China glazes at the Dollar Tree. That's very, very affordable, being that they're usually $10 and up. I did like this one. I like how this turned out. This actually, I should have did it over the peach. That probably would have looked nice together. But yeah, so that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul of the polishes I collected over that week, I think, that I went to the store. That is it. Please make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you are new, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you will be the first to know when I upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank y'all for watching.